Good evening, it's Brian here at Fitzpatrick's Garage, Dublin Road, Kildare. I want to show you this car here, 2016 162 registered Hyundai Tucson, and this is an executive model in white sand with a black leather interior. Brian is my name. If there's any information you want on this particular car, please do call, text, WhatsApp, whatever suits, 086 843 1945. I'd be happy to go through your trade-in, finance, or just talk about the car in general. We are Fitzpatrick's Garage, a family-run business in operation for almost 70 years with brands such as Honda, Hyundai and Mercedes here at the garage in Kildare. So what we're going to do in this video is we're going to have a look around the outside of the car, we're going to go for a quick drive in the car, and then we're going to have a look at the features on the inside. This particular example is a one-owner car from brand new. So we sold this car originally, the previous owner has bought her last few cars here, and once again she has chosen to deal with ourselves here in Kildare. The car's also got a full Hyundai service history, and we're going to put it through our workshop just before it goes out to have it ready for the next customer. So let's have a look around the outside of the car. The first thing I always like on these Tucsons, big long parking light which looks quite smart. In here is your dipped headlight, in here is your full light, and this in here is a cornering light, so when you turn left or right it lights up the area you're about to drive into. Fog lights are standard because it's an executive, and it's also got LEDs at the front. Looking along the front of the grille then, you get this nice brushed aluminium grille at the front, which they call a cascading grille, and it also matches the skid plate along the front as well. And in fairness, these Tucsons are a really good looking vehicle. I remember when they came out, loads of people used to love the Santa Fe, but it was an expensive vehicle, and this came in and it looked very like the Santa Fe, and all of a sudden people were looking at a car that had a nice big square tough exterior, but it was now in a much more affordable price category. These are brilliant cars, they do so much for everyone, that's why they're the best selling car in Ireland. In fairness, one of the reasons that people seem to like these cars is they're just a good looking vehicle overall. This is, as we were saying, a white sand colour as an executive. It's got 17-inch alloy wheels on the outside, and what's also nice is they come with tinted rear glass, as you can see, and then up high they have these roof rails, which, okay, you can put roof bars from one side to the other, which is quite useful, but roof bars actually just look nice. They give the car a kind of higher roof line overall. Once we get down the rear of the car, again it maintains that kind of square look overall, which is quite nice on them. As you can see, just the camera's not picking up the frames, but these are LED lights. We'll have a better look at them in a sec. And parking sensors are standard on the back of this executive model. As we're saying, because we're looking at an executive, it's got these nice LEDs which have individual diodes in the centre, and then they have a big long strip which is like what you see in the parking lot in the front. So again, it just looks very, very nice. Up high then you can see it's got just a small little boot spoiler just to finish off the top. And the audible parking sensors are located in the back bumper, but they relate also to a reverse camera we'll see on the inside in a minute. And actually, one other cool thing on Tucsons, from the factory they actually put mud flaps on them from the factory, which is very rare. You don't see that. Finishes off the arches nicely though. So to summarise, the Tucson is a big square looking car. It looks really nice on the outside. Loads of people bought these Tucsons and continued to buy them because they like the look of the car overall. But one of the other reasons that people buy them is because they drive really good. So the engine on these cars is 115 horsepower. It's a 1.7 diesel. It is €200 per year for road tax. But they sit lovely on the road because it is an SUV, it's high off the ground, but it doesn't feel like that at all. It feels like a car. We're going onto a back road, let's have a look. So we're going onto a rough section of road. We're in 6th gear, doing just about 100 kilometers an hour, and I'm very confident, kind of not throwing the car into the corners, but I'm not really adjusting my speed, and they are kind of sweeping turns. But it just does not feel like an SUV. It feels like a car. It feels like you're driving something like a 930, but it's nice and wide. Feels good. Here, don't take my word for it. Come try it yourself. So, how does this one feel? I say so a lot, don't I? Anyway, as we were saying, drives good. This particular example, gearbox feels good, engine feels responsive, clutch feels good, steering feels good. As we're saying, it's going to our workshop, brakes feel good, and the cabin is quiet. In my opinion, this car drives really, really well, but come try it yourself. Anyway, while we're at the back here, the boot is big. There is a cover that goes over it. As usual, I've taken the car before it's actually finished being cleaned, and the guys should get that cover that goes over from them. In through here, then we also have a full-size spare wheel, and we all love a full-size spare wheel in Ireland, don't we? Moving into the rear of the car, we have child locks over here, electrics for windows over here, and the seats are full black leather. So there's 3 head restraints, 3 3-point safety belts, there's ISOFIX over here, there's an armrest into the centre, there's ISOFIX on the other side, in through the center there is ventilation. This car's had a pretty easy life in the rear because the previous owner did not have a young family in the back, so it is relatively unused in the rear. And the other cool thing, like we're saying then, you can actually unrecline the seats forward. So essentially what that's going to do is create more space in the boot. But to be fair, I'd rather when it's reclined backwards, because my god, that is so comfortable. Believe it or not, it's only a small bit. If you look compared to the normal straight up function, you're moving from there to there, but it makes a serious difference. If you're on a long run, believe me, it is lovely to sit like this. Moving up into the front of the car, we have electrics for windows and mirrors. And actually one thing is, when we lock the car, the wing mirrors retract. When we unlock the car, the wing mirrors unretract. Sounds like a simple thing, but you would be surprised the amount of cars that actually don't have that as a feature. So if you're sitting in this Tucson, this is exactly what you see. Over here is electrics for your windows and mirrors. Down to the side then is brightness of the dash with traction control. Over through here, trip information for average speed, fuel efficiency, how much fuel is left in the car. Realistic fuel efficiency on these cars, actually, I must say, is normally somewhere in the region of 6 to 6.5 litres per 100 kilometres. Continuing on with our trip information, the second one is for navigation, the third one is for audio, the fourth one is for service information and also tyre pressures, and the last one is just general settings overall. The clocks are quite nice, they're big and white, they remind me of the Toyota Lexus from quite some time ago, but I like the style. As we're looking at our steering wheel then, we also have cruise control with a speed limiter over here. Down through here is Bluetooth, and it is headlights which are automated over through here. Wipers are in through here then. As you glance off over to the left, you have this big screen over through here, which means we have a reverse camera to go with those parking sensors with dynamic guidelines as we turn them. You'll also have things like navigation in through here, and the radio is a touch screen setup, so you can stream music and all that kind of stuff using your Bluetooth, but you can touch the screen or you can use the hard buttons like we're talking about in through here. Off down to the left hand side then we have climate control, so passenger and driver are independent, and you also get heated seats on both sides of the front. Over here, beside the gear stick, there is 6 forward gears, and these little buttons here then have a mode for steering wheel, how heavy or light you want the steering to be. There's hill descent controls, which helps you in the snow to descend without having to use the brakes, start-stop function, and parking sensors on or off. Up over here, there is a USB connector with 12 volt outlets and drinks holders in through here, and an armrest in through here. And in terms of the visibility overall, this is exactly what you see when you're sitting in a Tucson. This particular car has a warranty until 2021. It's got AA cover until 2021, and it has free servicing until 2021. So that is our 2016 162 registered one owner from new Hyundai Tucson Executive 1.7 diesel. Brian's my name. If there's any information you want on the car, please do give me a call. 086 843 1945. Call, text, WhatsApp before you travel. Hopefully the car is of interest. Hopefully the video has been useful. Thank you for taking time to watch.